Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you aren't getting any views on Etsy? Your title might be the actual problem. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to actually write an Etsy title for SEO so we can get more visitors, more buyers, more people to basically talk with and to actually sell to. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to actually write. As I told you before, I will repeat it again since it's an important message, how to write an Etsy title for SEO. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So we're gonna do all of this by accessing this shop manager. You're gonna ask me how would I do so? How? I will show you right now. So we're gonna open our device, usual stuff. Look, if we are fully connected to the internet, go all the way and look for Etsy.com. Tap on this thing, then come here to login, basically to this dashboard. They're gonna show you a login panel here. Make sure you enter your email address and password to access all of this. Then tap on this shop manager on this top right corner. Tap on listings and open your product. In the title field, put your main keyword first. For example, you are selling shirts. We're gonna go and put shirts or custom shirts, Nike shirts, sport shirts. Make sure you include the term shirt in this big title. So as you see here, people are selling basically things. They are including the concept. As you see here, Tom Brady, MLB draft. They are selling all of this. For example, this one is selling like a tank top. It's included in this title. So make sure you include whatever item you are selling in the big title. Then in the basically secondary keywords separated by commas or basically phrases, it depends on your type of writing. Then keep it small and readable. Then save the changes. So I will give you the formula right now. It's basically main keyword. You can add a comma, then secondary keyword, occasion, style, whatsoever. For a pro tip, use what buyers actually type into Etsy search, not what you call the product. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.